is a replacement of the is a replacement po ng separation roller, and we have the ADFT paper pickup. So mag-replace tayo. First, buksan natin dito. Then unahin natin yung separation. Ito yung separation. So bale, press natin to, then hila. Balik natin yung bago. Next, itong paper pickup. Press natin yung blue. Then, hold natin doon yung head. So, ito yung bago. Yun yung guide natin to doon. Natin. Press and tulak. And yun. Palitan na natin yung dala.